Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You are welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel that's always giving you the best in nail fashion. Today in this video, I have the best collections of new and latest white acrylic nail designs for you my nail lovers. So watch this video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide in this video. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you guys so much as you do that. Watching this video, you see that these nails are so new and attractive. You can practically rock these nails to any occasion of your choice. So watch to the end and pick your best light so that in your click you will be the first to rock this kind of nails. So as you watch, kindly support this channel by hitting the like button, like the video, and also feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Okay, thank you so much as you do that. And ladies, at the end of the video, you can go down to my comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my channel or my videos. Okay, and if there's any kind of nail video you would like to see me make in this channel, please put it down there and I promise to make it for you. Thank you so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.